thing. I'm gonna walk past so many cute guys and they're either gonna think that we're from an insane asylum and we have to be chained up or else we will lose each other. We both have Alzheimer's and we don't remember who we are, so we have to stay connected. So we're like, oh yeah, I think I know you. Happy International Save the Turkey Day. Audrey and I are going to be handcuffed for 24 hours on Thanksgiving on Black Friday because you need a little twist. It's called running out of content. Content, baby, content. We're supposed to go downstairs and help cook. Hopefully this gets us.
Audrey, your sauce is ready before you put your lips on.
Thank you, Grandma. My lips are already kind of attached to my face. We're wearing the same kind of top and we look like bags. Oh my god. We can't handle our family, so we're leaving. We're driving, listening to some bops. But here's the thing. I'm not, okay, I got in a car accident recently. That shit will change your life. Like that, it hurts so bad. And like the legal things that come along with it. Like I don't want to have to explain this to someone if we get in an accident. And we don't have any money for Uber. We're broke AF. Anytime we're driving, the handcuffs will be coming off for safety precautions. But other than that, we will be handcuffed for 24 hours. Anything you like to add? Yeah, oh my god. I'm not peeing on you. Connected. Yeah, we are. That's disgusting. Miranda, I'm not peeing with you. Yes, you are. I'll go first. I don't have to pee. Come sit on the floor right there. This is gross. So there's a really cute guy over there. And we drove past him coming in. And I was like, this is our chance. We're going to walk past him and look really cute. But of course, with these on, we look like crazy incest lovers chained together. It's very embarrassing. So we're walking, right? And we get into their yard. And so we have to cross so we don't walk in their yard, right? Miranda slips. And she's like getting dragged by me. And then they were like, oh, are you okay? Are you okay? 24 hours.
Why?
Why? Because it's clickbaitable. You can color with this hand. Oh, you're right. Wow. Silly me. Tricks are for kids.
Are you girls going in the dining room or the...
We're gonna go upstairs. I'm going to the other food. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Moving to the next section. I have to make my plate now. Me either.
I mean Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah, me either. And we'll go down this way. You have to pull your seat up. They're not like even. Okay, sorry. Why do I look like the Joker? I'm sorry. A drawer? The Joker? Okay. Sweetheart, you look way worse. We're gonna be going into Ulta right now. Handcuffed, obviously. We survived Thanksgiving. Off we go. High five! Oh. Your chained arm, you loser. Oh. Wait. That's hard. What are those? Oh, they're like little ornaments.
For Punisher.
What, is it small ball?
No, I just hate the name.
Oh no, that's unfortunate. We're playing Justin Bieber's Christmas album! Oh my gosh, have you seen the music video?
I'm not, no, I don't want to.
He takes this girl out on this like Christmas day. And he buys her this dress that she wants. We're gonna get some hangers. We're handcuffed. Ready? Go. That was fun. Yeah, real fun. That was very enjoyable. I want to get some taco lights. Taco lights? Where? Oh. Oh. I feel like Black Friday last year was so much more exciting.
I don't remember Black Friday last year.
What?
What do we do?
I don't know.
You see, there.
I feel like there's no one over here because they're scared of us.
I would be too. Like, where are the people that our parents warned us about?
No, kids, when you grow up, don't act like those hooligans.
Those hooligans.
Oh, Andrea, look. You're my bestie. That's you. I would get, like, this one. Isn't it pretty? Those are pretty. You should get that.
True.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. She was like, wait, she did it what? Oh.
And then she looked at me like she was so concerned for my well-being, and I was like,
That's our girl.
it's $20 for the chicken coop. Let's get it.
What? We are not spending $20 on Minecraft.
Fine. What about $29? Is that better?
No.
Maybe.
That's worse.
Maybe $119. Why don't we? And 99¢. We're crooked also. It's fine. We're always crooked. I'm trying to find a slime kit. Okay. Go. I'm connected to you.
Oh. Some guys asked us what was on our wrist.
I think they were trying to holler at us too.
We're like, we're filming a video. We're gonna do a little Black Friday haul.
JoJo slime.
Hangers.
Sweatshirt. Pink. It's pink.
It's like a really pretty pink.
The Stony album. Orange.
Oh yeah, I can see it peeking out.
I already know
Okay.
that this is the worst sleep of my life.
We only have, it's 1 a.m. We only have 10 hours left.
It's making my nose itch.
Okay.
We just watched Crimson Peak. I watched it before and I had no clue what incest was. I'm not trying to be a spoiler, but it was pretty wacky.
Let's make this clear. She watched it a while ago before you knew what incest was when you were a child.
Yeah. Okay, I know what incest is.
Trust me, we know we have to explain to people that we're not incest.
Okay, that makes me even worse. Okay, we're gonna go back to watch our JoJo Siwa slime reviews.
Do you want to tell us about how your sleep went last night? Wait, you didn't go to sleep till 5?
Yeah. Because
Scared already.
you are like, you know, it's 2:58. And I'm like, I gotta go to bed before the demons suck my toes. Like, a few minutes later, the doorknob from, like, across the hallway starts, like, rattling.
Stop it.
I'm not joking. And so I was like, is that the demon? And then I heard pacing. It sounded like from the door to our door. The door to our door.
This is why you had to fall asleep before 3 a.m.
So I'm just kind of like in bed, like doing starfish formation, praying that the Lord will give me the light, you know?
It was literally the worst sleep I've ever had in my entire life.
Yeah, I think I have marks. They look like a foot.
I like,
Oh, sorry.
I kept waking up like every hour and I was like, is it 10 o'clock yet? Is it 10 o'clock yet?
My head hurts too.
This is the worst challenge ever.
Yeah.
Like, whoever made this a thing, F you.
I'm not gonna talk to you for 45 minutes. I'm tired of you.